Welcome to the Imran Academy. I am discussing with you A-level mathematics, algebra, and this is my Wattsapp number. If you want to have me as a tutor for O and A-level mathematics, I am available. You can contact me on this number. And now, in the previous lecture, we discussed question number 8 of Pure Mathematics book A-level, AS level examination year 1. And now I am going to discuss with you question number 9. Here, question number 9 says, this is a question number 9, show that a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And using this result from a, expand this. So these are the two parts of question number 9. So let's do it. This is the question for you. And now I have taken left hand side a plus b whole cube. Now I can write a plus b whole cube as a plus b times a plus b times a plus b. And now I have actually multiplied the last two terms. I have multiplied this a, distributed this a to a, then distributed this a to b, then this b to a, then this b to b. So after doing that, what I get, when a is multiplied by a, we get a square. When a is multiplied by b, we get ab. Then when b is multiplied by a, we get ab. And when b is multiplied by b, we get b square. ab plus ab can be written as 2ab. So a square plus 2ab plus b square we have. Now again I have used the distribution. I have distributed a here. A is distributed to a square, then a is distributed to 2ab, then a is distributed to b square, and we get the three terms. When a is multiplied by a square, we get a cube. When a is multiplied by 2ab, we get 2a square b. When a is multiplied by b square, we get ab square. Similarly, I have distributed b to a square, then b to 2ab, then b to b square, and I get three terms. When b is multiplied by a square, we get a square b. When b is multiplied by 2ab, we get 2ab square. When b is multiplied by b square, we get b cube. Just arranging the terms, 2a square b and 1a square b becomes 3a square b, and 1a b square and 2a b square becomes 3ab square, and last term is a cube and first term is a cube, last term is b cube. So this is what we wanted to get. This is the result, the same result we have proved. Now we go to second part of this. Now using the same formula, that is a plus b whole cube equals a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Using the same formula, we want to evaluate this one. So I have used the above formula. 2x plus 3y whole cube equals 2x whole cube plus 3 times 2x square 3y plus 3 times 2x 3y square plus 3y cube. And then we have just simplified the whole thing. 2x cube becomes 8x cube, 2x whole cube becomes 8x cube, and 2x whole square becomes 4x square, and similarly 3y whole cube becomes 9y cube, and 3y whole cube becomes 27y cube. Now we can just multiply these terms. 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, x square y, and similarly do like, share and subscribe the Imran Academy for future videos and notifications. Thanks for watching. Till the next lecture, it's goodbye.